Good afternoon, I'm Federica D'Ambrosio. Today we're going to review the account of Dattaram. Dattaram joined our funded trader program last 1st of October and he hit his first 10% target on the 4th of November. So yeah, 1 month for him to hit his first 10% target. Very well done. Let's have a look at his equity line. We can see how he had a very nice beginning. Just 1 week after he joined our program, it was up by 4.28%. Then something happened and he went back on the initial account balance. He never went in negative territory. This is very important to mention, so very well done. But here we can see how from the 9th of October, it just went one way up towards his first 10% target on the 4th of November. Good. Let's have a look at the statistics. We can see how he has an average daily return of 0.23%, very good. Monthly return of 7.13% and a drawdown of 3.84%. And this is actually, I believe, here when it passed from in just 1 day from a plus 4.28% back to 0.44%. Basically, it started back from the initial account balance. Good. So let's have a look at the advanced statistics. So Dattaram took 103 trades with a profitability rate of 74%. Very well done. So Dattaram won 76 trades out of the 103 that he opened, with an average win of 15 pips and an average loss of 29 pips. But since he has a very good profitability rate, he managed to be profitable. So his best trade in terms of dollar was on the 4th of November. He gained $197, while his worst trade was on the 12th of November. So this is already with his new account, so we should not mention that because of course he has access to a different lot size, and for this reason maybe the amount, this number here we see $672, but I think that the reason is because he increased the lot size. Okay, so let's have a look at the summary to see if we focused on some pair more than others. And yeah, we can definitely see here 69 position opened on the pound dollar. He gained 296 pips, resulting in $1,036 achieved, dollars gained. Also here we can see a good result with his 9 position opened on the euro dollar. He gained 87 pips, resulting in $536. We can see a good number of dollars also here, $300 with 23 pips with 7 position on the Aussie dollar. Okay, so he likes the major pairs. And let's have a look here from the negative point of view. You see just the 2 pairs were negative for him. 2 position on the New Zealand cat. He lost 166 pips, resulting in $632. And here only $43 lost on the 3 position opened on the dollar yen. Okay. Let's have a look at the history to see what he did. There we go. He joined on the 1st of October. At the beginning, he kept his lot size 0.1, 0.2, 0.1 again. And yeah, again, in the beginning, he kept his lot size not at full capacity. Then, yeah, we can see after 1 week, he started to increase the lot size and it started to go 0.5, but still we can see 0.25, 0.2, okay, and yeah, so he kept it variable. Here is when on the 6th of November he hit his first 10% target, and we can see how we withdraw his share of profit for him. Let's have a look at the monthly gain. Yeah, of course, it's less, just slightly more than 1 month for him. And in fact, we can see October he gained 7.3%, and the remaining 2.89% to get to his 10% target. Average trade length of 9 hours and 17 minutes for him. Let's have a look at the duration scatter plot. So, majority of his position, definitely less than 10 hours. We can see few more trades held for around 1 day, below 2 days, the majority of his position, and just few position held for longer, no more than 4 days overall, and maybe 1 to 3 losing trade among all of his position well held for longer. So very well done, Dattaram, and we look forward to do the second review of your account.